up out of that. Or that.
Don't leave us, Uncle Tenderheart. He's gone.
Not quite. Not quite.
You're not going anywhere without the rest of us. We gotta stop these hiccups one way or another. And one way is by not giving him any more honey.
I know I put honey in the tea, but I'm sure the holiday unhoney yummies were unhoneyed.
Then I wonder how...
Me. It was all me.
Beastly?
Yeah. When I heard Honey gives Tenderheart the hiccups, I honeyed up the old bear. Mwah. Thank you for helping me ruin the holidays, baby.
I have a feeling Beastly's right. If I can't help the Great Giving Bear deliver gifts tonight, then the Great Giving Day will be ruined.
Yes! 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 Great Giving Day's ruined because of me. And I don't care. I win! I win! I win!